tree placement and hinge is determined by the diameter and the lean of the tree. Notches made to allow the hinge to work. Fiber pulls or breaks from the back of the hinge to the front.
How much hinge did we want? I got 2 inches there. Right at 1.5 inches on that side. And you can see how it started to pull here. Best hinge we could have had have been probably about 1 inch.
Face notch allows the hinge to work. The notch sets the direction and how long the hinge controls. The degree of opening should be 70 degrees or more.